Girl, who's this girl on camera? Ow. Alright, so welcome back to my channel, you guys. I know I'm looking a little different because honestly, I don't even recognize who this girl is on camera. Like, I kind of like it though. But this wig is from Ready Wig, and they were so kind enough to go ahead and send me this wig. And at first, I was low-key nervous because I've never worn a wig before, but y'all, like, it really does something to you. Like, once I put it on, I just feel so confident. Like, I don't know, I just feel really good. And this hair, even though it's synthetic, y'all, it feels like human hair. It is so soft, and like, you can do whatever you want to it. You can wash it, you can put heat on it, it doesn't matter at all. You can do whatever. But they have so many options on their website, you guys. Like, they have colorful wigs, straight wigs, curly wigs. It doesn't matter, whatever you want, it's on there. And also, the best part is they're affordable, and they also do free shipping. When it comes to shopping, you guys, I can spend $100 on something, but when I see like $5 shipping or $10 shipping, I'm just like, you know what, do I really want this stuff? So for them to do free shipping is amazing, and I do have a coupon code with them, so y'all can go ahead and save a little bit of money. All right, so let me stop talking. Let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. So I know I'm looking a little bit crazy right now, but I want to show you guys how I wear the wig because I'm not a professional wig wearer, you guys. I've never done this before, so if you have any tips for me, please let me know down below. But besides that, I want to show you guys how I did my hair. So I basically went ahead and gelled it down, that way it looks like it's coming from my scalp. And then I also have my wig cap in here, so y'all can see all my little, you know, secrets. Right now I'm exposing myself, but this is what it looks like underneath, and I do have the wig on top. So before I go ahead and start, I do want to tell you guys about this wig because Ready Wig went ahead and sent me this hair, and I'm so grateful for them because I've never tried a wig before, and I was low-key nervous because they told me it was going to be synthetic, and I was like, you know what, I don't know if that'll be good because when I think of synthetic, I think of Barbie hair. But this hair surprised me, you guys, because it's not what I thought it would be. It's so soft, it moves, it's flowy, and it just feels really good on my head. And originally it did have some lace right in front of the wig, but I did cut it off because I didn't want to glue it on my head. If you guys do want to glue it on, you definitely can, but for me, I just want to throw it on and be out the door because that's why it's called Ready Wig. But yeah, let me show you guys how I put this hair on. So I do have the wig on, and I do have my wig cap and all of that, and it does have these two little strings right here by the side, and basically what I do is I connect them in the back because my head is so big, you guys, and I have to hold it down. So I just grab these two pieces and I clip it together. So now my hair is secure and locked in. And when it came to wigs, you guys, I used to be so scared because I didn't want nobody to snatch my wig off and leave me looking stupid. So I'm glad it's secure and ready to go. And I'm just gonna take this little clip down right now and show you guys what it looks like when it's all down. And this wig, y'all, is so pretty. Like, look at that. And even though it's synthetic, you guys, you can still put some heat on it. You can wash it, you can wet it, you can do whatever you want to it. And that's why I love it so much because it just really surprised me. I wasn't expecting this when I got this wig, and it's also very cheap and affordable, y'all. So it's really, really bomb. But let me put my hair up because I'm about to do my makeup. Alright, so moving on to makeup, I'm just gonna start with my eyes, and as I go through my products, you guys, I really won't mention it, but it'll be all down below in the description box, of course. But I just want to start talking about this year because 2019, y'all, has been amazing so far. Like, I wasn't expecting all these good things to happen, and I told myself this year was gonna be my year. I told myself, I believed it, and so far, y'all, like, so many good things has been happening to me. I'm just so grateful, and I literally thank God every day because, like, I don't know, I had such a rough year last year, and for everything just to like turn around so quickly has made me the happiest person in the whole entire world. And a lot of people, like, if you see my Instagram, I've been posting a lot of pictures, and a lot of people always DM me saying like, girl, you look so happy, like you're glowing, like what is it? I'm like, I don't know, I'm just really, really happy. But I do believe 2019 is going to be my year. I already manifested it, I already prayed about it, and I just know like a lot of good things are about to happen. And one thing I do want to mention really quickly before I do start, Sephora is doing their influencer program, and I first saw about it on Instagram because everybody was talking about it, and it's called their Sephora Squad influencer program. That's what it's called. And when I first read about the benefits, you guys, like, I literally freaked out because there's just so many good things that they promise a lot of people, and it doesn't matter if you're small or big, they're still going to give you the same opportunity. And basically what happens is you get to meet with a lot of brands, go to events, make videos, you get a lot of PR, just like every influencer's dream. And if I get that, y'all, like, I'll be so grateful. But right now I'm going in with these two shades right here, these two brown colors, and I want it to be very simple because I do have work in a little bit, so I don't want to do too much. And if you do hear the rain outside, I'm so sorry, y'all. But I did send in my application yesterday, and if y'all can do me the biggest favor in the whole entire world and go in my description box down below and click the link and just basically give a testimony about why I deserve this. And I don't know, it will mean the world to me, you guys, because they need a lot of testimonies or people like vouching for me, saying that I deserve this. So if y'all can do it, that'll just make my day. So the eye look was very simple, you guys. I didn't do too much because y'all know I'm going to work, so it's very simple. But moving on to lashes, I do have the Luxy lash in the style Homegirl, and these are so wispy and nice. I really do love these lashes. Let me show y'all what it looks like. So I'm just gonna add some glue to it. But moving on with my get ready with me, I do want to talk about moving back at home, because when I first moved back at home, y'all, like, I was so nervous because I've been on my own for the longest, and just to move back home is a completely different feeling. But at the same time, y'all, like, I have been so happy to be back. Like, I'm just so happy not to pay rent, not to pay any bills. Like, I'm just living for free and saving all my money and whatnot. And I'm just so much more closer to my friends and family, and I just feel really, like, just happy and satisfied. And I did want to move to, like, California. I know I was telling y'all about that before, but I'm just so happy to be close to my friends and family, and just living that far away, like, I don't know if I can do it. So the lash glue is drying right now, but I just love the way these lashes look on my eyes, y'all. Like, they're so pretty. But moving on to primer, I do have the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer and also the Covergirl True Blend Pore Minimizing Primer. These are both purple, and I kind of like that. But these have been working really nicely on my face. I love the way it smooths out everything. And these two mixed together has been working really nicely on my face. And they're a whole lot cheaper than my other primers because y'all know how expensive those were. And yeah, these are a lot more cheaper. But moving on to foundation, I'm using the Covergirl Power Play Foundation in the shade G100. Y'all know it's my favorite foundation in the whole entire world. And I think I'm out. Hold up. Okay, there's a little bit left in there. I was about to say, like, did I run out? Now, if you guys didn't know, from the month of December and January, I wasn't working at all. So I was filming constantly. I was posting pictures on Instagram. I was just doing everything, y'all. And I was so happy, but my bank account was going low because I was spending a lot of money and I wasn't making a lot back. So I started working again. I'm actually working at my mom's place, and if you guys don't know, she's a doctor, she's a pediatrician, and I work in her office. And at first I was like, do I want to work with my parents? But at the same time, y'all, like, I'm so grateful because I was applying to a lot of jobs, and for some reason I wasn't getting anything back. And at first I was like, you know what, maybe God doesn't want me to work, like, because I applied to so many jobs, I didn't know what was going on. And my mom was like, you know what, you can work at my place, I'll pay you good money. And that's all she had to say. I was there. So basically, I'm with kids all day, you guys, and it's just such a good feeling because when they come in the door, y'all, like, they're so cute, they're so adorable. Like, it's just such a good environment. And I just love working at my mom's because it's a lot more laid back, because my other job, I was a server slash bartender while I was in grad school, and y'all, like, my anxiety was through the roof. Okay, I was so stressed every single day, whereas with this job, it's more laid back, it's more chill. So yeah, it's just a better feeling to be working again, honestly, because when I was doing YouTube full-time from December and January, I loved it so much, but I realized I was so lonely because I basically talk to the camera, I edit all day, and I just do that every single day. Like, I wasn't interacting with any other people or anything like that. So being at my mom's, y'all, like, I get to talk to the girls, I get to, like, laugh with them and just hang out with them. So it's a really good feeling. But moving on to contour, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Espresso. I've been loving this color because at first I thought it was too dark, but it's actually perfect on my skin tone. So I really recommend this right here. If you are dry, I will say it is a little bit drying on the skin, but if you're oily, I absolutely love it. And to blend my contour, I'm using the e.l.f. Foundation Blurring Brush. But moving back to me working a full-time job, y'all, like, I noticed I am so exhausted. Like, I know y'all can't tell on camera, but honestly, I literally film, edit before work, go to work, come back, and then edit some more, and then take pictures for Instagram. Like, it is so hard, but at the same time, like, this is what I want to do with my life. So I don't complain ever, but y'all, like, your girl, like, I don't sleep. Like, what is sleep? I don't know anymore. I literally went to bed around, I think, 2 a.m. last night, and I woke up at 6 to film this video. So I am literally tired, but at the same time, y'all, like, I finally see, like, you know, all the benefits of all my hard work. Like, I see everything like happening for me, and I'm just so grateful for you guys and for everyone, because like it's been a long time coming, but I'm so excited. The main reason why I'm so excited to start working again is because I want to buy a townhome. At first, I low-key wanted an apartment because that's all I'm used to. That's all I ever lived in before, but I really want a puppy, and for me to have a puppy, I wanted to run around and do what I gotta do, because when I used to live in an apartment and own a puppy, the people below me would get so angry, y'all. Like, they would be so angry because my dog would be so loud. So yeah, I definitely want to get a townhome puppy, like so hopefully in the next 3 months I do get that. I'm saving right now. That means I can buy a lot of makeup, a lot of clothes and whatnot, but y'all know I'm still gonna do that because I can't help myself. But yeah, I have to start saving and start being a grown woman right now. And for concealer, I think I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 410. Y'all know I love this concealer so much because it's so creamy and hydrating on the skin. So I'm just going to add a little bit because a little goes a long way. So I'm just blending this into my skin. And another topic I do want to talk about is Instagram. Me and Instagram have an issue, but lately they've been a little bit nicer to me, I swear, because in the beginning I was shadow banned, and if you guys don't know what that is, basically like all my hashtags and my posts weren't being seen by anyone. And at first I thought I was the only person going through it, but a lot of people actually go through it, and it sucks because it interferes with people's like business and like money and whatnot. And for the longest I was not like motivated to post on Instagram at all. At one point I actually wanted to go ahead and delete it because all my hard work, y'all, like I would do like creative looks and nobody would see it. The engagement was low, and I'm just like, what is going on? But honestly, at this point, like I just post whatever I want to post. Like whether the engagement is good or not, I don't care anymore, because like I don't know, I just don't care, because I feel like with Instagram, like all the things that they're changing on there, it makes people just want to like quit, but that's what they want you to do. But I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, I've been loving posting on there. I post a lot more now, and I'm kind of like doing more like fashion posts because I noticed on there you guys really do like that more so than the makeup. But I'm still gonna post my makeup looks, of course. That's never gonna stop. But if y'all want to go on there and follow me and support me, I would really love that. And to set everything, I'm taking my Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder. Okay, so time to set my face. I'm using a Fenty Beauty Honey Pro Filter powder. I know it looks a little bit light for my skin, but it's actually really good when it comes to setting my whole entire face. But I do want to talk about this weekend because it was NBA All-Star weekend, and y'all, like, I don't know. I feel like it's overhyped. I still went with my friends and whatnot, but it's very overhyped. And honestly, you guys, like every single place was packed. Like all the malls, everything was packed because there were celebrities there shopping and whatnot. But I had went to like one store to pick up something, and like when I tell you all these men were just standing around, like I had to be like, can you move, sir? I'm trying to like get some jeans, get some t-shirts, like all this stuff. And they were just standing there just because they want to be seen. They want to look at girls. I'm just like, can you move? Like, it was just so overcrowded, so I couldn't be there too long because I don't like being in a bunch of crowds. Like something about it I don't like. So I left really quickly because I just knew I was gonna be stressed while shopping. But we did go out that night, and it was actually fun and whatnot, but I just feel like it's so overhyped. But yet every single year I still go. Like, I don't understand that. And to bring some color to my face, I'm using my Bobbi brown bronzer in the shade Deep, and this is my favorite bronzer hands down because it just looks so natural on the face, and it's not too red, it's not too dark, it's just absolutely perfect. And to set my face, I'm using my Caudalie Beauty Elixir spray and also my Urban Decay All Nighter. Alright, so let's add some blush to this cheeks, and I'm using my blush kit from Anastasia. This is the Gradient Blush Kit, and y'all know like I use this all the time, but it has so many pretty colors in here, and I'm just gonna mix these two right here. But the last thing I do want to talk about, y'all, is the fact that we're about to hit 4K on YouTube. Like, that is just so insane to me. And I know a lot of people don't think it's a big number, but for me, y'all, like, I know where I started. I used to have 100 subscribers and I just never thought I would even get 1,000. Then I got 2,000, I got 3,000, then 4,000. Like, I'm really shocked because it came up on me so quickly. And my goal for this year is to reach 10,000. Like, that is just such a big goal for me. If I do reach this year, y'all, like, I'll be the happiest person in the whole entire world. But I just want to thank y'all for being so supportive, like always commenting on my videos, liking it, sharing it, all of that. Like, it means so much to me. And once we hit 4K, there will be a giveaway on my channel, and I will leave the rules. I'm not sure exactly when we'll hit it, but whatever video comes out after we hit it, it will have the rules on there, and it'll be really simple and easy, like nothing crazy at all. So yeah, be on the lookout. Make sure you're liking, make sure you're subscribing, commenting, and all that good stuff. And to highlight my face, I'm using my Wet n Wild Hustle and Glow Loose highlighter, and this has quickly become my favorite highlighter because it looks so pretty on the face, and it's only $8, you guys. Like, it's so cheap. So let me put a little bit on my Morphe M510 brush and just place it on my face. And last but not least is the lips, and I'm using my Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Blush Shot. And for my lip liner, I'm using my NYX, what's it called? Plum Lipliner. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I honestly literally had so much fun. Like, y'all, like, this is like the most fun I've had in a video in so long, and I'm just like really feeling this hair, feeling this makeup. Like, let me go ahead and calm down because I'm doing too much right now. But I do hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to like, subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you guys in my next one.